In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Google TV remote when it's not working or responding, covering repairing, reset, and battery fixes. First, check the remote's batteries. Replace them with fresh ones and ensure they're inserted correctly. Low or dead batteries are the most common cause of remote issues. If the remote still doesn't respond, try repairing it with your Google TV. To do this, press and hold the remote's back and home buttons together for about 5 seconds until the pairing screen appears on your TV. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If repairing doesn't work, reset the remote by removing its batteries and pressing all buttons once. Then reinsert the batteries and try again. Make sure there's nothing blocking the remote signal to the TV. Keep a clear line of sight between the remote and the TV's sensor. If you're using a Bluetooth remote, interference from other devices could cause issues. Try turning off or moving away from other Bluetooth devices nearby. Sometimes restarting your Google TV device helps. Unplug it from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and test the remote again. If none of these steps fix the problem, the remote might be faulty and need replacement. Following these steps should get your Google TV remote working and responding again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.